Samsung is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Leaks have spilled the beans on exciting design upgrades, enhanced features, and the expected price in India. This innovative device promises major improvements while maintaining the beloved flip phone aesthetic. Design and display. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is set to feature a premium foldable design similar to its predecessors. However, leaks hint at a larger 6.85-inch main screen, delivering an enhanced viewing experience. The cover display is also expected to grow to around 4 inches, making it more convenient to check notifications, take selfies, and use apps without unfolding the phone. Additionally, Samsung is working on a more refined hinge for smoother folding and increased durability. Performance and chipset. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might be powered by Samsung's latest Exynos 2500 processor, promising faster performance and better multitasking. With 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB and 512 GB, users will have ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The phone is expected to run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI, ensuring a seamless user experience. Camera setup. The camera setup is rumored to include a 50-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, providing high-quality photos and videos. For selfies and video calls, the 10-megapixel front camera is expected to deliver sharp images. Samsung may also enhance the camera software to improve low-light photography. Battery and charging. Leaks suggest the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will house a 4000 mAh battery, sufficient for a full day of normal use. It will support 25W fast charging, allowing quick power-ups. Wireless charging will also be available, adding to the phone's convenience. Price and India launch date. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 price in India is anticipated to start at 99,999 Indian rupees for the base model. The global launch may happen in July or August 2025, with pre-orders beginning shortly after. Additionally, rumors indicate that Samsung might introduce a more affordable variant called the Galaxy Z Flip FE, offering foldable tech at a lower price point.